get as close as you can, I'm gonna feed the giraffe.
1, 2, 3.
He is ready. Look, guys.
Can you feed him?
Oh yeah, I've never fed a giraffe.
I'm filming.
I'm so excited about this. I can't tell you. All right, we're off to the wild animal safari. This is one of the coolest things in Georgia, in my personal opinion. I mean, you actually get to feed a zebra, a giraffe. It's so cool. So we're about 2 miles away. Check it out.
Oh boy, we made it.
We're ready. Oh, they already got the gates in.
Oh, very good. A picture?
Guys, so when you come to the animal safari, highly suggest renting one of the vans, okay? Because we haven't seen it, but some good friends of ours actually saw a personal vehicle get rammed by one of these animals. So that really is a wild animal safari. So check it out. Here we go. We're number 15 today. And you can see, nothing to worry about here. We're not worried about the animals getting us in this thing. This is awesome. Don't be jealous, don't be jealous. I love how they paint these things up. Also make sure the kids get a potty break before you start.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
See the animals.
Animals? Tell me, where are we going?
Animals. Ah, this car seat.
Here we go.
Look.
Not the cleanest windshield we've ever been behind. Look, they're just waiting on us.
Look at this elk. Wow, Mom, check anything out.
Look at this
Look
guy.
at this elk. Look, buddy. Wow.
Good job,
what a majestic animal.
Yeah, just put him out flat. Watch.
Pretty that thing is.
Good
Hey,
job,
buddy.
bud.
I just
Definitely should have got a slobber towel.
Look at this guy.
Say hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
So make sure to try to come early in the morning because they haven't ate yet and they're super hungry and we're getting swarmed and it is awesome. But don't worry, they get plenty of food. Like the last time we were here, not very many were even interested. They had such a full belly. So it's so interesting too that we pay them to feed their animals. Isn't that funny? Let's see if we can get this little guy right here. Look, let's get this little guy. Let's get this little guy right here. Look at that pretty. So pretty. So pretty. So we're told not to feed the zebras because they'll bite by hand. But he doesn't see this one here. There you go. Oh,
Get it.
He got mine.
throw it on the ground.
He's getting mine.
There you go. And I'm gonna feed the giraffe.
1, 2, 3.
He is ready. Look, guys.
Feed him.
Oh yeah, I've never
filming.
fed a giraffe.
I'm filming.
I'm so excited about this. I can't tell
Look
you.
at the giraffe.
Come here, buddy.
Look.
I got you.
Can you?
Yeah.
I'll put your belly
Oh,
button.
look,
Look, here he comes.
Look, guys. Oh my, that is so cool. Look at that, he's so big. Oh man, look how big he is. That's like awesome. One of my favorite things ever. You want some more? Oh, he's got some rough breath too.
Wow.
He's so gentle. He's probably more gentle than the other ones.
Oh, look beside you.
Oh, hello, everybody.
Look, here comes another one. Oh, look at this. You get some close-ups, Mom? Hey, buddy, here. There you go. There you
Wow, look.
go. So crazy. Wow, they're massive.
Look.
Look, Becky, the giraffe.
No.
You filming this?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you missed.
You
Too
missed.
slow. There you go. Man, they're pretty good at catching.
No.
Watch out behind you, Mama.
I'm leaning
Good,
in.
good. Whoop. Whoop.
Hello.
That's a lion, guys. If you can hear that. Look at him, buddy. Man, he's a handsome boy. Comes the llama, Mommy. Here they come, guys. Watch.
Oh, he's coming to your side?
Yeah, he is.
Oh,
There he is. They know what to do. Whoa. Here. Boom.
Got it.
Oh, boy. They can get those heads in here, too, buddy. Here. Yeah.
Yeah.
There, buddy. That's how you get it. That's how you get a piece. You gotta work for it.
Jump up there.
It's awesome. You can definitely tell there's a little hierarchy here. Like this big guy right here will probably be the first to come get some food from me. Oh, he's going to your side, Mom. He's gonna be out of luck.
You're gonna have to feed him. Can you reach him?
There he is. That's the big boy right there. Look at that tongue.
Look, oh my
boy.
gosh.
There you go. Water buffalo, guys. Ooh, here you go. I'll toss it in there for you. Here you go. Let's toss one in there. Ready? Look, he even moves his tongue for us.
Are you gonna feed it when it gets here, Dad?
Yeah.
They're coming on
Alright,
your
get
side.
ready. Here it comes. Get him over there.
Mama, baby one's coming to you.
I'm
Check
getting
this
down
out,
real
guys.
fast.
Wow.
Mama's
Look at that buffalo. You hear that? That's so cool. Hey, buddy. You're gorgeous. Oh, sorry. You are stunningly handsome, I guess, maybe.
Oh, handsome.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Get your little bite. Get that tongue. There you go. So another tip, don't try to feed all the animals. You just won't be able to do it unless you bring like 200 pounds of food. You feel guilty at first kind of passing them, but just feed the ones you want to feed. They'll get plenty of food throughout the day. There's hundreds of cars that come through here every day. So another reason it's so worth to rent a van is because all the slobber. So even if your car didn't get a dent in it, these things slobber like crazy. So it really is the real deal. This is probably the most fun to watch is the people that haven't been here yet. And it freaks them out that these elk actually walk right up to their vehicle and start eating them, eating their food. Look, buddy, you gotta get by. I think this van will get by you. Ooh, it doesn't want to. Bye, elk.
Bye, everybody.
You guys are gorgeous. Don't forget about the walkabout. Get him, Beck. Call him up.
Chicken.
I think cockle-doodle-doo works better. Try that again.
Try cock-a-doodle-doo.
Holy cow, look at the size of this gator. Alligator Alley, there he is. He is loving that man. He is no baby. Look at that thing.
Becky, right here, baby.
Look, buddy, he's right here.
Right here on the ground.
You see him? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, man. You're quick.